Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with Social Media Ministries. We are now a part of Nextdoor's Sell for Good program, which means that if you have the Nextdoor app, which is a neighborhood app, it's a community app, kind of a social media platform, but for your neighborhood, you can now find us on there. So what does that mean? Well, we're a part of the Sell for Good program, and that means that if you want to get rid of something, donate it, sell it, give it away, etc., you can add us on there so that in your listing it shows that any sale or proceed of this would go to support social media ministries. So please do that if you're considering getting rid of anything in your neighborhood Nextdoor app. Also, even if you're not, if you do have the Nextdoor app, simply find us. Find Social Media Ministries in there, add us to your favorites, like our charity so that we can kind of move up in that algorithm so more people can see Social Media Ministries and then find us on social media. Now, all of the proceeds we receive from that are going to go right into the ministry, so they'll be used to promote videos, to boost stuff on social media, to try to reach more people so that we can continue to accomplish our mission of reaching more people through social media and spreading the word of God to as many places as possible through the use of social media. So thank you so much for your support. Find us on Nextdoor, and if you want to sell something for good and support Social Media Ministries, that would be awesome. Thank you, and God bless.